Yo, it's that jit, Young RA, man, aka Rit the African. Y'all know I got nature with me again, you feel me? Mother Nature with me, always. I'm gonna show y'all this quick little workout. You know, I made it up myself. I like to do 10 pull-ups, 5 dips, and then 15 push-ups. And I do 5 sets of each. So let's get right into it.
Yes.
Show y'all, boy. So me personally, I like to start with the pull-ups. So I'm gonna do the pull-ups first. Then after that, I'm gonna transition into the dips, which is 5, and I end it off with the 15 push-ups. Let's get it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm gonna show y'all the dips real quick. 5 dips, like I said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I like to end off the set with 15 push-ups. Do them right here. 15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You know, that's a quick little workout. I'm gonna do one more set for y'all. But as y'all can see, you know, I'm engaging most of my upper body with the pull-ups and the dips and the push-ups. This is a good workout. If you like calisthenics, you can come outside and come do this again. But I'm gonna show y'all one more time. And it hurt too, I'll tell you that. 10 pull-ups, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 dips. You feel me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End it off with the 15 push-ups. You know what I'm saying? Alright, if you're a beginner, you can try this, you know, get you into the groove of calisthenics, get used to it, get used to doing pull-ups, also interact with the push-ups a little bit. You can do different forms if you want, different type of pull-up formations and push-up formations, whatever works for you, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, I'm out of breath right now, because that shit do hurt, it hurt. But hey, there's always glory in pain. You feel me? And self-improvement on the menu. Always gotta self-improve. So yeah, I'ma end it.